Hello everyone, I'm Eleni Rizopoulou and I am in the virtual space of the university. The first impression is very pleasant. It is a modern building in which immersive elements are scattered and high quality graphics are used. My avatar of choice is quite realistic, and there is the ability of walk, of I can run, I can jump. The movement and the interactions enhance the sense of presence and immersion. We will start our tour from the first floor, where is the map of the building. Here we can see that we can visit the micro teaching space, collaborative space, lecture space, secretary space, professor's room, the library, and the open space. So we can start our tour. The first portal on the left leads to the micro teaching space. Most of the chairs, as you can see, have the have, have the are given the possibility to sit down. On the bulletin board, we can connect on the bulletin board we can connect to Mural, which is a very interesting application. Uh, we return back to the reception. All the spaces are connected to the reception, and we continue to the second gate. The second gate leads to the collaborative space. Here there is a link there is a link that leads to the university website. Also there is another link that allows the transfer, the file transfer. When we have a lot of files or big files. There is also the application, the connection with the application Miro, and where we return to reception. We got the lecture space. A beautiful auditorium. Let's run. On the right, here and here, we can see a lot of portals leading to virtual worlds created by students. Some of them are very interesting. From this gate, we exit to the open space outside of the building. Here is a link to a YouTube video describing the activities and games one can play in this open space. And back to the reception. We can visit the secretary room. Here there are a variety of links that leads to videos, to the website of the university, to the Twitter. From this gate, we can transfer to the professor's room. In this space, we can see some information about some professors. We can see links to Zoom, to Skype, to Moodle, and we go back to the reception. There is one more portal. And we move to the Kedima space. This is a big place. There are 3 auditoriums. We can visit all of them, but now we will see one of them. And we return to the reception of this space, of the Kedima space. Here there is also a gate that leads to another open space, another one, different from the other. And there is also a second library. In this library, we can see a lot of links. There are many links to other universities. This is the Aegean University. All Greek universities are here, and we can return back to the Kedima reception. This virtual world feels real and attractive. The three-dimensional spaces and interactive objects allow the user to engage directly with the environment. It can also be a great practical use, as virtual meetings and the courses can be held between teachers and students, as well as between students. So it was a very interesting, beautiful place. That's from me. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.